What's up YouTube? My name is Yuri and I'm here to help you. So 59% of your product fails. Why? Because you don't have an USP or your USP is shit. Why is your USP shit? Because you maybe has an USP but your customer doesn't see your USP the way you see it. I will give you now a tip how you can easily create an USP that's gonna be saw by the customer in your niche. Let's jump on my screen. So here we are in the niche for felt bags. You can see that in this niche there are a lot of sellers with similar products. So I have a gray, black, just the colors changes. 2 units of 2, units of 1. Again the same product, some pictures here, blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. This guy here launched, this guy here is selling, here he launched, and we see that some guys are doing well, are in the upper level here, like him for example, even though he was out of stock. And we can see that some of the sellers are not doing that well here. For example, this is a new seller. He just new on the market, or this one. And now the question is, why have this guy launched this product here? Because like most of you, you recognize that this niche here, some products make a lot of revenue and there's a demand. So you're looking for ways how to differentiate the product, and so you found a way to do a different design like him, put some logo on it or something like that. Okay, but it's not gonna get a lot of sales because the only way is to lower the price for him now to go up, because it's not an USP in the eyes of the customer. This logo doesn't really see as an USP, I can tell you that. But for him the same, new product launches, or this is also the same. So what should you do different? You should do different by focusing on a real USP that is shown by a customer. And my way of doing it is to sometimes to change the material. So here, let's press on him here. He's a smart seller, or she or he, who knows? She knows how to sell. First of all, when we're analyzing the listing, all the images are perfect. The title is good, and what we also can see is the branding, guys. The branding. You can see everything is kept green. There's a logo, there's a nice packaging. It's really express something, and from the first page you can see that this product offers something different from the others. And I'm not talking about the ebook. It's okay, ebook, I'm not a big fan anymore, but what is did differentiates this product from all the other products that look the same. So when you look at the picture, you will be able to see here, for example, that this felt is made out of recycled plastic bottles. So this felt was manufactured from a material that is called plastic flakes. So, and there's a story behind it. So all the plastic we throw away, all the waste is not used, and this seller here found a story to use the plastic by creating a new bottles, by creating a bag for it. So it's kind of environmentally friendly product, you see, and this is a different material. So try to think about if you have a product where you think that can be also made out of different products, and also to change it a bit on the look of it and the design of it. Okay, the branding is a must. Okay, it's a must, but it's not enough. It's not enough to change only the branding. You could only change the branding, but if it doesn't have any story, you will be still in the fight of prices. The lowest price gets up and the bigger prices are down. So the story, the branding, and my recommendation is to look for other materials. Let me show you a second example for this one. This niche here is, the main keyword is soda stream rack holder, bottle holder. So what we can see when we scan the first pages, that most of these here are made of stainless steel here. Black, red and black, or white, aluminium, red, but it's always here stainless steel, bottle holder stainless steel, made of stainless steel. And now you can, but what you can see here is that there are sellers that use not stainless steel but bamboo material, and are also quite successful with it and have a USP. So by using a bamboo material, you can make it look more organic and more environmentally friendly. More, it speaks to a group of clients, you know, that will look for this. It gives the market, it gives the client more alternatives. And when a client sees all of these here, 8 of stainless steel racks that look exactly the same, and sees yours, and he's a bit into environment in nature and has a similar design, so he will buy yours. Okay, so you can, by using the material, you can differentiate yourself. And please also keep in notice that it's important that your USP will be seen on the first image. First image should be enough to see your USP, and when the customer goes on your page to trigger the attention to click on your product, and from that point on the story starts with the pictures and the images. It's the same when you go to a job interview or when you go to a date, you know, you have maybe 3 seconds to convince the other that you are the right for spend your time with this person. It's exactly the same. You have to convince in the 3 seconds the client that your product is the best product. Good guys, I'm sure you have learned something from this video. Write down in the comments what kind of videos, what kind of problems do you have, starting with Amazon FBA, and I will help you. Thank you.